Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the side slide animation effect in CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos or photos you want to edit and very simple. So after run you are just going to select animation and select slide in or out. You can adjust for the duration and apply it to all the clip. Alright. You can combine with effect with the video effect or just transition. Alright, so I'm just going to combine with effect, select effect, and select effect you like. And I select a horizontal place too. And this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.